So welcome back for this amazing video. This video particularly is very close to my heart because this is actually the first video which I'm going to shoot on my Royal Enfield Bullet 350. So basically, I bought this bike on 25th of March 25. So this is the best birthday gift I could have ever got from my parents. 25th of March was my 20th birthday. And they gifted me this beautiful bike.
So,
Yesterday, I
yesterday I've
clocked
clocked
in
in
5
around
kilometers on the bike,
535 kilometers.
and yesterday was the first service of this bike. So, so basically, the agenda for this video was I've just had my first service done yesterday. So this was a video particularly focusing on the experience, the cost breakdown, and how basically it feels. I mean, I'll be very honest. It felt like taking your baby to the doctor for the first visit. It is such an emotional thing. I did not take any mechanical photos or garage photos or anything like that. It is just about pure experience. So notice this that after my servicing, the bike has the engine has reduced heating very much. So earlier it used to heat a lot. Now it is not heating as much, and yeah, of course they have tightened the brakes, rear brakes, and in general the bike is now much more smoother, I guess. And these were the few points which I did notice. So basically, I have this bill of yesterday's first service. So let's break down the most important points here which have been done is oil change. So what happens is on 500 kilometers they do your first oil change, and the second oil change is not done on the second service, which is 5,000 kilometers. It is directly done on the third service. So the major cost or the major things which were done was oil change, chain lubrication, then battery coating, all the nuts and the bolts. Then they have done is vehicle washing, and they have tightened all the brakes. There's no need to change this brake fluid. I was asking them a few questions, so they said there's no need to change this for even a year or two. It lasts longer than that. And I'll just give a photo of this on the screen. The cost was around 1625 rupees. That's 1625 rupees. So I think it wasn't an expensive service or a cheaper service. I think it is a very moderate service for a bike of this. So let's get back into the history of why did I buy this bike at the first place. Basically, this was a very long story. Uh, I was 8, maybe 7 years old when I was with my dad and my family, and we were in Goa. So that time, I guess I may have seen bullets earlier, but that time I saw Royal Enfield, and that duk 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 really, it had a place in my heart at that very moment. And from then on, I started noticing and started realizing Royal Enfield is different from another bikes. I started differentiating it from another bike. Then one fine day after, I don't know, a couple of years, me and my dad were just talking around, and I guess I was 12 or 13 years old. And then he said to me that one day we'll go on a Royal Enfield Bullet. We'll go from Pune to Goa, just you and me. So that thing really just got inside me, and from then on, Royal Enfield has been very, very close to me. When I entered college, and my best friend, he has a Meteor 350. So that was one of the first times when I really drove one, and the experience was mind blowing. I mean, the way you sit on a Royal Enfield is so much different from any other bike. It is as if you are the king of the road, and that feeling of that engine grunting, it's out of. So the experience was totally different. 2 years I've been waiting. I did not get any other bike. 2 years I was waiting for this particular bike. That I want to buy a Royal Enfield MD. There was no compromise which I was going to do on Royal Enfields. But yes, finally I have it, and I'm pretty sure about it. I'm 100% sure about it this is the best decision of my life. Whoever it is there out looking for a new bullet, thinking about it whether or not to buy it, just take it. The love which you have for this bike or the relation which you have with this bike will just grow deeper and deeper with time. And with time you'll fall in love with it as if I fall in love with it. I really like this bike very much. And overall my experience was pretty good. Called for a reminder in the morning, and after the checkup also they asked for after service reviews, help with the assistance. So I would say the service experience was very much good, no problem from their side. And yep, that is it. Stay tuned for more stories with my Bullet. This is the Royal Enfield thumb. Proper third always. Proper dub always.